Google are tracking your every move. So if you want to stop Google tracking your every move, there is three settings that we need to change to stop this on our devices, on PC, mobile, or whatever we use. So step number one will be to head over to Google Chrome. And then once we open up Google, you need to go to the top right hand corner, click on our profile picture. And here is where you will now be able to select manage your Google account. We need to click on this, and then that will then bring us to here. And what we now need to find is we need to find data and privacy. Click on the data and privacy option, and then once we are on here, as you can see, if we go to history settings, there is web and app activity, timeline, and also YouTube history. So what this will do is it will literally track every single move that you make, whether this is on a web app, whether this is on Google Chrome, YouTube, or even Google Maps, for example. Now what we need to do is we need to go into these individual settings here, and then you will now see an option for turn off. You want to click on this, turn off and delete activity, and then that will then remove all of your activity, and then you can then click on next. You will then be able to delete all of these, and then once we have got the deletion complete on that one, we can go back to our main Google account here, and then you can then go down to timeline. You can do the exact same thing here by turning this off, so turn off and delete activity. And then essentially what will happen is it will delete all of your activity. And once you have disabled all three of these options, Google will no longer be able to track your every move.